name is Michal, and I'm from Slovakia, from small organization, SAOLA, Conservation Biology, and my presentation is very short and very simply. Okay. Okay, there is before we start, there are two problems which I have. The first problem is my English. So as Dominic, it's my first presentation in English. So if you don't understand me, it's not your fault, it's my mistake. And when I lost internet signal, it's by the daughter startled because this place is the warming place in our apartment, and now it's the turtle place. So if I lost signal, it's by the turtle. Circus Pigargus in Slovakia. I think our work is the same as yours. It's about these things and these feelings. It's about harvester, it's about fancies, it's about sadness and happiness, as you know it. Where is Slovakia? Slovakia is a small country. This place is suitable for nesting of Circus Pigargus. This is a lowland. And as Karol have one slide from history, the first breeding in Slovakia was in 1932. This is the first photo from Slovakia nest, and my personal memory. My first nest is in 1993, so I'm a middle-aged ornithologist. This is a table of rare breeding raptors in Slovakia. So you see there is a big difference between Slovakia and Czech Republic and Poland and the Netherlands. We have a very, very small population. The Circus Pigargus Montagu Harrier is the third rare breeding species in Slovakia. We are happy if we have 50 pairs by year. So this is the big difference between us. But it's another things are same. Main nesting diet is here, mostly wheat, sometimes barley. At last 5 years, we never found nest except this biotope. Wetlands, last breeding in wetlands on fallow lands was in 2014. So this is the biotopes we Circus Pigargus escapes of these biotopes. Our problems in our work is we don't have a big project, so no support of our works. And Circus Pigargus is not an eagle. In Slovakia, if you find a nest of eagle, you are a hero. So if you find a nest of Circus Pigargus, you have a lot of work. You know it, yes. But in Slovakia, every ornithologist want to be a hero. So we have we have a small group, the people who work with Circus Pigargus. In Slovakia, we have approximately about 300 active ornithologists. Maybe 18 from them are focusing on raptors, but only for 4 ornithologists is the favorite species. You know it. It's very warm in August in cereal fields. It's very hard work. So we are a very small group, which people focusing of this species. Our problem, of course, like another country, is the harvest and harvest time. This is the situation in Slovak Republic. This yellow part, harvest time starts before 10th of the July. In the gray part, this is a place where the Montagu Harrier is breeding. Yes, this is a top localities. In this part, harvest starts between 10 and 25 of July, and the last harvest time is in this part, and there is no breeding population of Circus Pigargus. And year from year, harvest time is sooner. Maybe it's climate change or another reasons, but it's a fact. at last 3 years, without our management, only one nest from 32 nests will be successful. So it's for me, it's not optimistic, it's a horror for me, because when we stop our work, there is only one pair was be successful without protection. How we protect the nest, it's common like Poland or Czech Republic. We marking area about 25 meters with the poles, and we create non-intervention area without harvest. Inside this place, we built a small fence, except 2 meters. Sometimes we build the fences also in case when the nests were found after the harvest, as Karol said. But it's only 2 cases for last 5 years. This is only symbolic protection between from fox. It is main. It's protection from the escape of young in the harvest time. Protected management predation. We have a big problem with the fox. We use everything. We use some things like human hairs, like some cleaning agents, some spray for elimination of fox, and of course we use excrement of big predators. But each solution works until it stops working. So we have a predation nest which we used this one or this one or this one. So not it's 100% working. Questions. We have a big unsolved problems with first flight at harvest time. So this is the protect area where is the nest, and this is the juvenile which first flying, which have first flying and then by harvest machine destroy in this place. So this is our problem, which we don't know how protect these young birds. Second problem in our country is we have no compensation mechanism for land users, and we our work depends on good partnership with farmers. So we've managed it. We create some batch, and when after the season we make a cake and give him for thanks. Okay. But this year we trying the first time we pay compensation as a result of project of birds like Slovakia. So maybe this is a way. But I am a little bit skeptic. We try this put into a new environmental scheme in Slovakia. It's very nice if we successful, but I'm a little bit skeptic about this if we are successful. The questions, new methods of monitoring. This year we found two nests by the drone. Last 5 years ago we said it's not a way, but this year technique started very quickly. This is a photo by drone, and this is a nest. This is a zoom of the drones. Maybe it's way, maybe if you have another ideas how to protect or how do better our work, I was listening to you. And some picture to the end. Our iconic bird is a female of Melanie. It's a melanistic female. This year she has 5 young birds. 4 of them was melanistic, and the last year she has 6 pool, 6 juveniles, and 1 of them was melanistic. And this is a species which has the marked on the wings. both of these birds, male BN in this years and female last year, was from same region in Deutschland. It's from this part. So in Slovakia, we have a very, very small population of Montagu's Harriers, and protection depends on enthusiasm people and good partnership. And we want to realize some research, but we are happy if we manage to save the nest. Yeah, okay, it's all from me.